Whiskers. Come here, buddy.
Oh boy.
You thought that last one was rough?
It's okay. It's alright.
Oh, he's the noisy one.
Come on. Get a bear? Wanna go inside? Wanna go inside?
I think that's his answer.
Come on. Hey. Man, you're strong. Wanna go inside? It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright.
Whiskers.
Keep them bad fleas off you. Go back in the house. You want to go in the house? No? You want to stay outside? It's okay.
Just be careful of his leg with that brush.
Stick your tail in there. Get your tail clean too. Come on. It's alright.
Whiskers, it's okay. It's alright.
Relax. Relax.
Yeah, we gotta get the fleas off you so you come in the house. It's a good thing.
You like it, don't you? No?
Don't try to tell him he likes it. He doesn't like it.
Put that tail in there. Come on. Guess we're gonna need a couple more towels, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, I know.
Whiskers. Hey. You okay?
Come on.
You're
Come on.
okay. You're okay.
It's alright.
Did you get the fleas off?
I've been brushing them. He's not done yet.
You want me to go get towels?
Yeah.